Hello there, I am Miss Sola. I'm here to teach you something new and interesting in mathematics. Welcome to the world of numbers, shapes, and all the beautiful things that you can find in the exciting world of mathematics. In this lesson, we will learn about the perimeter of two-dimensional shapes. Have you heard about two-dimensional shapes? They are shapes that have length and breadth. That's why they are two-dimensional or 2D. We can find out the perimeter of 2D shapes quite easily. This will let us know exactly how long or how wide the shape is. It is important to know the exact figures of different 2D shapes so that they can fit in correctly for what they're being used for. So, what is the perimeter of a 2D shape? Let's find out. The perimeter of a 2D shape is the distance around a flat or two-dimensional shape. The important word in the statement I just made is distance. Distance means the space between 2 points. To find the perimeter of any flat or 2D shape, all you need to do is add the value of all the sides of the shape. For example, all 4 sides of a square have the same length. So, a square with side length of 2 inches would have a perimeter of 8 inches. By adding the length of all the sides, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 will have 8. Real-life objects have perimeters as well. It's about 360 feet long and 160 feet wide. This means that the length of the football field is 360 feet and the breadth is 160 feet. To find the perimeter of the football field, we added the values of all the sides, which includes 2 lengths and 2 breadths. So, the perimeter of the field is 360 plus 160 plus 360 plus 160, which equals 1040 feet. Let's think about more examples. Look at the rectangle here. I have given the values of all the sides of the shape. What do you think the perimeter of the rectangle is? The numbers that run along the top and bottom of the shape represent the dimension for the breadth of the shape. The numbers that run by the sides represent the length. The perimeter of this rectangle is 7 plus 3 plus 7 plus 3, which equals 20. How easy is that? What about this? The shape here is a 5-sided shape, a pentagon. A pentagon has 5 equal sides. I have given the values of all the sides of the shape. What do you think the perimeter of the shape can be? This should be fairly easy. The number that runs along all the sides of the shape is 3. The perimeter of the pentagon will be added in 5 places. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. This equals 15. You can also say that 3 in 5 places is the same as 3 times 5, which is also 15. That was quite easy, right? Great! To find the perimeter of other different shapes that do not have values, all you need to do is use the ruler to measure all the sides and find the perimeter by adding all the values up. I think finding the perimeter of 2D shapes is one of the easiest things ever. What do you think? What an interesting lesson, right? Now, some of the things we have learnt. A. Two-dimensional or flat shapes are shapes that have length and breadth. That's why they are two-dimensional or 2D. B. The perimeter of a 2D shape is the distance around the flat or two-dimensional shape. C. Distance means the space between 2 points. D. Real-life objects have perimeters as well. Great! Before we finish off here, let me ask you a few questions. This will help me know how well you got on in the lesson. Are you ready? Alright. 1. What are 2D shapes? That's great! 2D shapes are also called flat shapes with only length and breadth. 2. What is the perimeter of a 2D shape? That's excellent. The perimeter of a 2D shape is the distance around the flat or two-dimensional shape. 3. What does distance mean? You're absolutely correct. Distance means the space between 2 points. 4. What is the perimeter of a square with the following dimensions? Length is 5 and breadth is 5. That's correct. The perimeter will be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, which equals 20. I hope you learned new things in the lesson. I learned new things too. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.